Sarah's going to do a box on my hair, but it's going to put yarn on my hair for my color.
So, today,
Hey!
we are gonna be doing a box braid on Kendra's hair.
With 10 hair.
Okay, let's do it. We're gonna use this with it.
I'm sitting over there, like looking to the table, because Andrew could say, because I'm too short. Looks like a bow on the top. I'm gonna put, I don't know, put it on my hair. Maybe I'm gonna put it on my hair.
I'm gonna put it in a rubber band in your hair. Okay, let's get going.
Get going. I'll show you the colors that your hair is blue, purple, and red. I smeared that. Guys. I'm just kidding, I'm smeared that. Yeah, I'm not smeared. It's April.
First, we're gonna put our hair in a ponytail. I put 3 different colors in this hair so it's easier to explain how to do the box braid. First, I'm gonna make a little hole. This has nothing to do with the box braid, just to add the color or the hair. Then we're gonna tighten this, and I'm gonna put another rubber band around it. Yes, except for my battery is almost dead.
Batteries? Are batteries almost dead? I smeared that.
Now we're gonna separate the hair into 3 sections like a normal braid, and keeping the 2 yarns the same colors together, if that makes sense, in each section. So like both the purple yarn in one section of the 3 sections of your braid, both the red, both the green. Purple section, red section, blue section. Now, hopefully you know how to do a normal braid. Normal braid, you're going to take the purple over the red, green over the purple, red over the green. So always taking the outer ones over top the middle one. That's how you do normal braid. So it's pretty much like that, except your purple section in half. I'm going to keep a purple string in each half so you can see. So it's in half. And then take my red section in between the 2 purple sections.
I see a blue on my side.
Yes. So then there's the purple section on both sides of the red. Now the red's on this side. Now we're going to connect the purple back together. Take your green, separate it in half, and take that over top of the purple section. So now our purple is on this side and our blue is combined in the middle. Now we're going to do the red. Split it in half, in the middle, green in between. And then you're going to keep going until you're out of hair. Split the purple in half, go around the red, and making the purple in the middle, red on the side. In the middle, split the red in half, go around the green on both sides, and now the red's in the middle. So we're going to take our purple section, split it in half, so now there's a purple string in each half. Take your middle section, which is the red, in between the 2 splitted purple sections over to the side. Like a normal braid, except for you're splitting your sections in half. In half around the middle section. In half around the middle. Half, middle,
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that.
half,
I will love you in the
could be with anyone, you're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
Now I'm gonna take my ponytail and secure the braid. Now when you look at the braid from the front, braid, side, braid, back, braid. That's why it's called a box braid, because there's a braid on each side. I'm gonna loosen it to make it fuller.
you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. Here with me.
And there you have the box braid. Now we're gonna go show Kendra it. So this is the box braid.
Said, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
And that's it for today's video.
Single's gonna have a low one soon.
Thank you so much for watching. What?
6 days, we're gonna paint and Dave's hair.
Oh,
But I'm
yeah.
gonna help Mom. Me and Mommy's gonna help. But Mommy and Dave are going to teach me how to do it.
So stay tuned for that.
That my auntie. My auntie did it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.